Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to explain you how to install a junction switch in your Volla car system digital program. At the location of the yellow bus I have already installed physically a junction switch. As you can see, I have not yet recorded the track going to the left, which we will do now by driving the bus over the junction switch to the left and recording the track. We can stop directly after we now see a black rectangle. This means in fact that the new track has not yet been connected to the existing track. Now we have the yellow rectangle and it is connected. What we now need to do is we have to clean up the track. There are some errors, although you cannot see that yet, but we'll have to zoom in a little bit to see those errors. When we zoom in, we see in fact that the track is not clean. The yellow rectangle of the junction switch is not at the right spot. We now drag it to the right spot and we remove the unnecessary green spots. When we look in driving mode, we now see that we have the track, but we don't have yet the switch to actually operate the junction switch. We need now to install that. In the menu we select new junction switch and we put our arrow in the right position. Then in the pop-up menu I give it a new name, MB West, and I also add the address 401. We now see the yellow circle popping up under the junction switch and we know now that we have installed it correctly. We can test it out now. It works fine. In a future tutorial I will explain you how to program the junction so that left turning traffic stops for opposite traffic. Thank you for watching.